Ugh. Dan.
Ray, I'm at the Mechanicsburg store. We have a problem.
Okay, what's up?
Well, you were right. I wasn't supposed to get the DeWALT Matchbox car NASCAR. I was supposed to get the actual DeWALT NASCAR.
Yeah, I think I told you that.
Okay, yeah, well, thanks for that. The problem is, everybody's going to be coming here in about an hour expecting the car, and all I have is this Matchbox car. Man, did I mess up.
I got it taken care of. Don't worry about it.
What? It's getting really loud here. I'm having a hard time hearing you. What'd you say about your hair?
What? I don't have any hair. I said I took care of it. I called.
Of course you're bald. What does being bald have to do with the car? Ray, stay focused.
No, I called.
What is that noise in the back? It sounds like the NASCAR is here.
Oh, hey, I have no time to talk. The car is here.